Mother goes as bicycle tour asterisk return and adapted by Monsieur Abonnel awake, sweet hope. For she washes the throne land their own merit to make dullness bright, even a luna to the insipid drop its light. Xanthine yellow might the aster take for you, an emerald green the clove carnation crown, nor could fair Englandes rosiette learn to frown. Diadem of humble bloom and royal fleur de lis, rare crowns of love, have crowned their long ago, and ever round their noble brow more intertwined they grow. Monsieur Abonnel Julie 3rd, 1901. The above lines accompanied the copy which was graciously accepted by Queen Alexandra. Toronto, William Briggs. Witannist pride the rhymer sin their ancestres renown, proud the day that gave her birth. And proud their natal town. Oh, may the Thames the verse redeem, of migrui and rhyming loose, and win a kind indulgence still for Marie Suzanne Goose. Entered according to Act of the Parliament of Canada, in the year 1900, by William Briggs, at the Department of Agriculture. Dedicated by permission to Miss Liv Nansen Dedication. As opure the drifting snows of northern realms, dazzling the aurora of the polar girls, more stainless still thy fair and childish brow, more bright the aureole that surrounds thy birth. De optimanation bends its tender gaze to watch the blooming of a royal flower, child of heroic blood, genius thy heritage. The loving interest of a world thy dower. Monsieur Abbé Content. Dedication. The Departure. Pussycat. I diddle. The Queen of the Car. Jack and Jill. All King Cole. There was an old woman. Bea black sheep. All Mother Hubbard. Where are you going to, my pretty maid? When he was a bachelor. Un petit homme petit. Ta fille was a Welshman. Trevis men of Saint-Yves. The Frog and the Crow. The Donkey is repli. Farmer Brown. The Captain. The Shoemaker. The Cook. The Grosset. The Farmer. The Farmer's Wife. The Tailor. MRS. Tonkin and Mr. Hopkins. This very black man of Siam. This lazy old man of Moselle. Ce cochon, an interesting pig. This shocking old man from Capre. Peter Pradlbugtasadl. The man from Hong Kong. The Little Bohemian. The King is returning to Paris. Le petit maréchal. La petite étrangère. Les étables. Tommy H.A.S. Hagen. Enigma. The Medway of Blue. This studio girl of Ogon's Enigma. The Miller. A King. Louis est assisté très petite. Dickens poème. The Little Nut-Tree. L'enfant terrible. Isidore et Isabelle. Every Dog on the Street. The Apple Pie Party. Glossary. Mother goes as bicycle tour. The Departure. A long year ago dear Mother goose for little people mad, you see, of merry rhymes and that conceits a veritable potpourri. De some riddles are the brain to puzzle, tales that really seemed quite true, rhymes with fun just brimming where, for each one something à son goût. 3 femmes spread through many lands. The princess came from France to see the tree that bore the golden pear, at least such was Londi. 4 Buyer Rolled by, de Dame Gruolala, de Universal FATE. She found herself almost forgot, and with her goose left tête à tête. 5 Said Mother Goose, my faithful bird, or friends neglect us, to be sure, but never mind, will elle just prepare and take a pleasant little tour. 6 Some evenings spent in brushing up the foreign word we used to know, setting out upon our trip, would now be very apropos. 7 Yell order from my millionaire a brand new attend traveling suite, and then procure some maps and guide, will surely need them whilst en route. 8 Tis 50 years since you and your journey took the moon to see, for fear we never should come back we left our cards with PPC 9. What crowds there were to see us off? What merry shout and loud roar? Most certainly we undertook our enterprise with great éclat. 10 And then the journey back again, and how we made the world to stare when home we brought the wondrous news the moon was made of fromage vert. 11 But times are changed, and people know doubt everything they cannot see, and men are all before they are young, and even children feel ennui. 12 No fairies nor their revels old, nor their merry pranks pursue, the prying eye, the searchlight's glare, have made them bid the land adieu. 13 Should you in this material age your magic powers reveal by chance, you'd never be a moment free from scientific surveillance. 14 Besides, to read upon your backwood outrage modern fashion as code, to go upon a toilet scene is now considered à la mode. 15 When thus the dame spoke her mind, her banker first she went to see, then purchase made of many things, besides a flask of eau de vie. Says she meant to cross the channel soon, and for the future had a care, all those who travel on the sea provision make for mal de mer 17. 2 bicycles were ordered then from Monsieur Brun de Chambray, to tell the truth, the dame on hers looked really most distinguée. 18 The goose all unaccustomed was to this most curious gait, but spite of this her mistress vowed she thought her manner was perfect. 19 I am an awkward creature quoth the goose, a people say, but on the water, rest assured, you'll find me quite au fait. 20 I know you dread the noisy ship, with all its bustle and to do, and for the horrid smell of tar you have a natural dégoût. 21 So let us take an open boat, the voyage is not very long. I'm sure we'll reach the other side without the slightest contretemps. 22 With courage rare the dame replied, your plan, eating, is for our we'll follow it without delay. Her charming nature was facile. 23 The noble, brave, and clever bird, as one may well perceive, for new and strange adventures now was quite on the qui-vive. 24 Adventures came too soon, Allah. For on that self-same day a storm arose, and they were wrecked in that short traversée. 25 In this extremity most dear the dame takes off a wooden boot, and says, I'll buy these precious bikes, and get them some time coûte que coûte. 26 For string she revels out her rose, while briny water saturates her plan will surely win success for is it not a coup de maître. 27 Now bind together, mistress dear, before they float away, those oars of good Canadian pin, they are our pis-aller. 28 Your wrecked, supported by this frame, I have the power to draw, nor danger fear while you retain such admirable sang-froid. 29 By strength of will, and wing, and web, they reached a passing man of war, and now to mother goose and bird we must say au revoir. Pussycat, 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 where have you been? Have you been to London to see the Queen? Pussycat, pussycat, what saw you do? I saw a little mouse under the chair. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do? J'ai mangé la souris tout à coup. I diddle diddle. Un I diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. Regardez donc cette vache agile, qui saute par-dessus la lune. 2. Je vais au marché à l'instant, I'm going to the market now, pour acheter cette vache surprenante, to buy that remarkable cow. 3. The well-known cat and the wonderful cow, on the picture now you may see, ainsi que le chien intelligent, qui avait beaucoup ri. The Queen of the Car. Les dames des cartes, elles firent des tartes on a summer's day. Les valets des cartes volèrent ces tartes, and took them clean away. Les rois des cartes cherchèrent les tartes, and beat the knave full sore. Les valets des cartes rapportèrent les tartes, and vowed they still no more. Jack and Jill. Un Jack and Jill went up the hill, ensemble de l'eau y chercher, Jack fell down and broke his crown, la pauvre Jill fut renversée. 2. Up Jack go and home did throw, en colère et très pressé, Dame Jill had the job to plaster his nab, quand l'effusion de sang eut cessé. 3. Jill came in and she did grin, en voyant cet emplâtre, her mother vowed she did weep her next, à cause de ce désastre. All King Cole. All King Cole was a merry old soul, il aimait la compagnie, et called for his pipe, et called for his bowl, singing vive la compagnie. Et shared with his fiddlers the very best cheer, singing vive la compagnie. Et drank from his bowl the very best beer, singing vive la compagnie. Et never knew sorrow, et never knew fear, singing vive la compagnie. Et lived very happy, cela va sans dire, singing vive la compagnie. There was an old woman. And there was an old woman who lived in a shoe, elle avait beaucoup d'enfants, and she didn't know what to do. 2. She gave them some broth, without any bread, elle les battait très fort, and sent them to bed. Baa baa black sheep. Baba black sheep, as-tu de la laine? Oui, monsieur, j'en ai 2 poches pleines. Une pour mon maître, une pour madame, rien pour le garçon qui versa des larmes. Olmoder Hubbard. Un Olmoder Hubbard went to the cup boire des os d'obtenir pour son chien, but when she got there, the cup boire was bare, hélas. Le pauvre chien n'eut rien. 2. She went to get bread from the baker next door, but when she returned le chien était mort. 3. She went for a coffin, with many a tear, but the dog was only joking, se met donc à rire. 4. She went for some trip, feeling all in a maze, but when she returned il fumait à l'aise. 5. I will get him some Almoder Hubbard said she, but when she returned le chien était assis. 6. She went for some wine, her favorite to fête, returning she found him debout sur sa tête. 7. She went to the ATS to get him a hat, but when she returned il nourrissait la chatte. 8. She went to the barber's to buy him a wig, but when she returned il dansait une gigue. 9. She went to the fruiterer's to get him some fruits, returning she found him jouant de la flûte. 10. To buy him a coat she went to the tailor, returning she found him à cheval sur une chèvre. 11. She went to buy shoes, but, most strange to tell, returning, she found him lisant les nouvelles. 12. To buy him some linen she went one fine day, returning, she found le chien qui filait. 13. She went to buy rose from Olfater Drew, returning she found him paré de son mieux. 14. The dame made a courtesy, the dog made a bow, the dame said, your servant le chien dit, bow wow. 15 This wonderful dog to the dame was most dear, et que read, sing and dance, et il savait écrire. 16 Whilst living she fed him with dainties galore, and built him a tombstone quand il était mort. Where are you going to, my pretty maid? Où vas-tu, ma belle chérie? I'm going a milking, sir said she. Puis-je t'accompagner, belle chérie? Just as you please, kind sir said she. Que fait ton père, ma belle chérie? My father is a farmer, sir said she. Que fait ta mère, ma belle chérie? Wife to my father, sir said she. Quelle est ta fortune, belle chérie? My face is my fortune, sir said she. S'il en est ainsi, belle chérie, what do you mean, kind sir said she. Nous n'aurons jamais de fiançailles. Nobody asked you, sir said she. When he was a bachelor. Quand j'étais un garçon, I lived by myself, et toute la viande et le fromage y pu upon a shelf. 2 Les rats et les souris did lead me such a life, je m'en allais à Londres to get myself a wife. 3 Les rues étant grandes, and the land being narrow, je dus amener mon épouse, in a wheelbarrow. 4 La brouette se cassa, my wife go a fall, à terre fut la brouette, little wife and all. Un petit homme petit. Un petit homme petit sat on a wall, un petit homme petit est a great fall. All the king's horses et l'armée du roi couldn't make un petit homme petit ce qu'il était autrefois. Taffy was a Welshman. Un Taffy was a Welshman, Taffy was a thief, Taffy coura chez moi and stole a leg of beef. 2 He went to Taffy's house, Taffy wasn't at home, Taffy coura chez moi and stole a marrowbone. 3 He went to Taffy's house, Taffy was in bed, je pris vite le savouret, and beat him on the head. 3 This man of Saint-Yves. Un Saïd this very wise man of Saint-Yves, he reared potatoes away, yell cheval my head and dye my clothes red, ive a nervous objection to spy. 2 Said the wiser, he cannot advise such a strange and uncommon disguise, but this is my plan, to it all we can, regardless of shape or of size. 3 Said the sagest, you don't realize that your scheme is most truly unwise, if you eat them at all, either large ones or small, every thought of your at DLL surmise. 4 The man who successfully try, or some feasible plan can devise, to grow us a kind that really is blind, will bestow a magnificent prize. The Frog and the Crow. Une chère petite grenouille, lived on the river brink, oh. Un corbeau noir et gaillard came there to get a drink, oh. Come ashore, dit le corbeau à la grenouille, come ashore, dit le corbeau à la grenouille. 2 And you shall hear the music on yonder green hill, oh. And you shall see the dancers all dressed up in yellow, oh. Je vous remercie, dit la jeune petite grenouille, je vous remercie, dit la jeune petite grenouille. Large image listen 3. So the frog began a jumping to land, oh. And the crow began hopping, to give her a cheese hand, oh. Je vous remercie, dit encore la jeune grenouille. Miss, you're welcome, dit le corbeau à la grenouille. 4 Where is the music on yonder green hill, oh. And where are the dancers all dressed up in yellow, oh. Yo, scream. The donkey is reply. And dear Neddy, he called you long ago, are you cold out here in the snow? He would take you down to the kitchen below, only frotter le dos. 2 Cookies so cross I'm afraid to go, when he wanted to help her knit the dough she threw me away and scolded so, but frotter le dos. 3 bu if you are key and speak very low, and try to walk on your verité toe, we might go to the room where sisters so, or frotter le dos. 4 Dear old Ned, you are a horse as a crow, and you wabble your long ears to and fro, bu whatever you mean, I would like to know, by frotter le dos. He painted a picture of H.I.S. 2 cows, and some rhyme in the bill, all pag is there, and Suki, 2, and Mines behind the hill. Farmer Brown. A farmer brown is a snake, and farmer brown is a rogue. E said they would give me a pound, and they didn't, for painting H.I.S. cows and pag. 2 He wanted a picture of H.I.S. 2 cows, Suki and coal black mean, and then for the pound he was to give all pag must be painted in. 3 O, farmer brown is a snake, and farmer brown is a rogue. E said they would give me a pound, and they didn't, for painting H.I.S. cows and pag. 4 He painted a picture of H.I.S. 2 cows, Suki and coal black mean, and then for the pound he was to give, all pag was painted in. 5 O, farmer brown is a snake, and farmer brown is a rogue. E said they would give me a pound, and they didn't, for painting H.I.S. cows and pag. 6 He painted a picture of H.I.S. 2 cows, and some rhyme in the bill, all pag is there, and Suki, 2, and Mines behind the hill. 7 O, farmer brown is a snake, and farmer brown is a rogue. E said they would give me a pound, and they didn't, for painting H.I.S. cows and pag. The captain. I've finished my ship to the very last nail, I've painted the deck and set the sail, and now I'm ready to cross the main, for I will be le capitaine. The shoemaker. I mean to make shoes of the strongest leather, that boy may go out in any weather. I've go some wax, and I know the way, so I will be le cordonnier. The cook. My cake will be indeed a treat, I'll make them of raisins and sugar sweet, first a story and then a layer, and I will be la cuisinière. The grosset. Currants and chocolate, apples as well, the very things I would like to sell, in spite of brother Ned's facety, I'll be a prosperous épicier. A footnote, as the exigency of the language do not admit of a very good rhymer. The farmer. You must have horses large and strong, to drag the heavy plough along, and go to market and draw the hay, so he will be le fermier. The farmer's wife. They like to make butter and skim the milk, and go to church in a nice black silk, and I like boy with curly hair, eating LL be la fermière. The tailor. The stylish suits of class LL make the eye of taste will surely take, and Swain, intent on wedding tour, will ask, qui est votre tailleur? MRS. Tonquin and MR. Hopkins. Un O, Iris little MRS Tonquin, insu Chaffril. O, bless me if it isn't Hopkins, all dressed to kill. 2 Good morning to you, MRS Tonquin, pre-audio. O, none the better, MR Hopkins, for seeing you. 3 Det silly MRS Tonquin, I'm sorry for her. Det Rorid MR Hopkins, es my bête noire. Large image lisse on this very black man of Siam. Ce jeune homme très noir de Siam, just asked for a slice of good ham, they said, if you crave it, and take affidavit you not a Mohammedan, you can. This lazy old man of Moselle. This lazy old man of Moselle said, indeed, it is all very well, but to kill flies with peas is not taking one assize, le jeu ne vaut pas la chandelle. Ce cochon a an interesting pig. Ce cochon a an interesting pig, always wore a dress coat and a wig, but his friends looked askance, and soon took a chance to esquire wore that strange rig. This shocking old man from Capre. This shocking old man from Capre refusa de mettre son gilet, they put him to bed, and everyone said, such a man must be mad to obey. Peter Pradl booked a saddle. Peter Pradl bought a saddle, puis on a peint prendle, when they asked him what for, et answered, je ne sais quoi. The man from Hong Kong. This extraordinary man of Hong Kong déclarait la journée trop longue, they put on his head a poultice of bread, and told him his views were all wrong. The little bohemian. Hein, que fais-tu ici, mon petit? You must be far from home, it is not right that such a meat should be allowed to roam. De what is your race and country? It never could be guessed your raven locks and northern bloom to different climes the test. 3 I aide à race, allons one, across the rive Seine, ma mère parle le français et elle est américaine. 4 but I'm going to my own country, and it is 40 miles away, I'm walking very fast because I must be there today. 5 My father knows the name of it, il m'appelle Bohème, and Victor is going with me, for eating is the same. The king is returning to Paris. Le roi revient à Paris, la reine est très heureuse, le roi il est le mari, la reine elle est l'épouse. Le petit maréchal. B1. I was a little sergeant, don't you see, and he drilled my soldiers 123, and we all stepped out together, in fair and stormy weather, myself and soldiers 123. 2 I was a little captain, happy me, of my chosen band of 123, and we roamed the world together, in fair and stormy weather, myself and soldiers 123. 3 And now I am a marshal, as you see, with a score and 4 of soldiers under me, and we roam the world together in fair and stormy weather, just 25 soldiers counting me. Footnote, B. The answer is as the first letter of the 25 that compose the French alphabet. La petite étrangère. I met a little foreigner, all on a walking tour, she smiled at me and sweetly said, je suis française, monsieur. 2 She looked so very elegant à Caontis, I am sure I quickly lifted off my hat and said, Madame, bonjour. Les tables. Mettez donc le couvert vite, vite, vite. Set the plate immediately to eat, eat, eat. 2 Jeanne a fait le ragoût, Anne a fait la tarte, Sue will place the share around with all her little hat. Tommy HAS a gun. Tommy HAS a gun, prenez garde, it HAS bullets made of lead, very hard. It might take you for a bear, it might take you for a HARE, it might take you for a bird, prenez garde. Enigma, enigma. I feed all the summer, oh dear, yes. You'd better keep out of my way. I fast all the winter, oh dear, dear. In the dark and the cold day. Enigma. I feed all the winter, oh dear, yes. I feed both night and day. I fast all the summer, oh dear, dear. In a dark, dreary place day. Comme il faut. This is a pretty little girl, and yet I do not know, it seems to me her manners are not kit comme il faut. The Medway of Blue. I met a little maiden with eye of lovely blue, I said in my politest tone, ma chère, que voulez-vous? She said, I'd like a cherry rip, kind sir, or even two. Oh, no one could refuser, la fille aux beaux yeux doux. This studio girl of Ogond, cette fille studieuse de Logond said, this child will, I fear, be a dance, it is my place to see that she is taught to spell CAT, so come here, little sister, at once. This lad with compassion was smitten, qui vint des environs de Wittin, et said, I fear that she's too young to spell cat, although, please, first try her with kitten. Footnote, c'est Ogansis a college in the United States. Enigma. Connaissez-vous mon père? Connaissez-vous ma mère? Connaissez-vous mes frères, chérie? Enigma. They are riding in the hedge, they are peeping where the ledge, they are seeking in the grass for me. Cassandre. À cette fenêtre veux-tu paraître? De tout mon être je t'attends. My heart is ever true, I wait, dear love, for you, at this or rendez-vous, Cassandre. The miller this jolly, fat miller works hard every day, to grind up the corn in the very best way, oh, bright is H.E.S. smile and friendly H.E.S. sha, and on H.E.S. head always wears a white hat, oh, gay is H.E.S. whistle and cheery H.E.S. song. Et sur sa tête toujours un chapeau très blanc. Pourquoi? Pour se tenir la tête chaude. A king. A king, in history my name is surely known, their love my subjects by word and deed have shown. Though grieved to leave the palace of my sire, though grieved to leave the land of Suniski, choice of evils bade me leave my tottering throne should I say more my answer would be known. Footnote, dès un certain roi et sa cour furent obligés de laisser leur capitale et partir pour le Nouveau Monde à cause du tremblement de terre, AD 1755. A certain king and his court were obliged to leave their capital and set out for the New World on account of an earthquake in AD 1755. Louis had assisté très petite. Louis had a sister très petite, et thought that standing up she would look sweet, but her mother came and sought her, and caught her little daughter before that et had taught her this neophyte. Dickens poem. When Benny wasn't doing something silly he was very wise, he was bigger than he was small regarding size, his head was about as large as a piece of chalk, and when he didn't run he went in a walk. Even when he walked it was on his feet, and he never was greedy when he hadn't anything to eat. The way he didn't behave himself was a disgrace, but then he never hurt you when he beat you on your false face. The little nut tree. J'avais un noisetier, nothing did it bear mais une muscade d'argent and a golden pear. The King of France's sister came to visit me, all for the sake of my little nut tree. L'enfant terrible. I wish that grown-up gentlemen, and grown-up ladies, too, would learn to speak as plainly as other people do. The uncle calls me some queer name, something long enough, he cannot tell it what it is he always says it low. 3. I never call him long although he is 7 or 8 feet high, or more, perhaps a tiny rat, he is longer far than I 4. I tried to wait in a classroom to scream what it meant, but all my poor dear dollies wanted some of who classent. 5. They were very fond of scent, you know, and so I gave them plenty, but, oh, dear me. I was surprised to find the bottle empty. 6. Sweet sister it is just the same she says I am the true whenever there is company, what is that, I'd like to know. Said today, of course to help them, I just took off the string from a canine little parcel I saw the postman bring. 8. It was the sweetest thing, although it did not make it, so I put it in my pocket to keep it out of sight. 9. My birthday cake was getting mad downstairs that very minute, and when Cook looked the other way he pushed the ring down in it. 10. And if the ring should fall to Rose, I'll be so glad, you know, for she is my darling sister and I really love her so. Isidore et Isabelle. Isidore et Isabelle marchent dessous une grande ombrelle. No wish is wish. If you can't tell, you shall have a candy and kiss as well. Every dog on the street. Every dog on the street wags its tail when we meet. Mais voici une autre chose, this one is red, for it waggles its head, and fastens its teeth in my rose. This very small child on a stool, had a bird that her nurse called a pool, but the gardener as son, Ben, always called it an and so his parents had sent him to school. Twice one are two. Twice one are two, toujours je l'ai su. Twice two are four, j'ai des boutons d'or. Twice three are six, ce fait est vraiment fixe. Twice four are eight, la réponse est parfaite. Twice five are ten, les écoliers viennent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, de l'argent dans la banque, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, j'en donnerai à mon fils. Apportez-moi du potage, apportez-moi du sel, apportez-moi une tranche de pain, and I'll do very well. The apple pie party. A was an apple pie, bitten by Tom, French people call an apple une pomme. B was the bit, and I really must say, Tom was sorry that ever éclabouché. C was the cook, Tom was always kit safe to get goodies and tarts, when he called him le chef. D was the dinner go ready that day, dinner in France is called le dîner. E was the edge, in France called le bord, of that pit trimmed with pastry to imitate cord. F was the fun the sight gave to all, in word of the Frenchman la gaieté folle. G was the guest Tom was late to receive, et came looking happy à merry convive. H was for Harry, who served the pie in great glee, in France his name is pronounced Henry. I was the ivy, the pie with great care was entwined with the creeper the French call lierre. J was the juice, well sweetened by the cook, et flavored it nicely and called it le suc. K was the kitchen, so tidy and clean, in France it is always called la cuisine. L was the linen beside each place set, in Anglo, the naquin, in French, serviette. M was the music, in French la musique, and played for the game of Lost Treasure Seek. N was the nurse, in France called la bonne, who brought some small cousin to share in the fun. O was the oven, in French called le four, at Christmas it bakes many pie for the poor. P for the plate, in French assiette, kept warm till the table was all nicely set. Q the quadrille, which eating came from France, the place where all children learn early to dance. R was the room where the dancing took place, in French called le salon or else la pièce. S was the sideboard for things stored away, cup-board, or sideboard, in French is buffet. T was the tray, in French called plateau, all laden with jellies and cream whipped like snow. U was the urchin, all cook's petite peste, of leavings and scraps she was always in quest. V was the valet, at Deezer et Cam, his very small master and mistress to claim. W a Wrangler, a Rorid Meger, just read the next line, her name will be there. X Gantip was not at the party, I'm told, such people are always left out in the cold. I was the year, in French called l'année, which for these happy children had just passed away. That was the zest that appetites rarity unfailingly give to an apple pie party. Glossary. Code. A, FTE, FT, FLL, E, M, MT, ER, I, PNE, PN, Fier, O, ENT, NT, Noir, U, TB, TB, FULL, TL, OO, OUS. Where the letter G is added at the end of a syllable in the pronunciation, it should be sounded very faintly so as to be scarcely perceptible. À cause de ce désastre, KSDSDSSTR, because of this misfortune. À cette fenêtre, STFNTR, at this window. À cheval sur une chèvre, cheval SHVR, riding a goat. Adieu, Dieu, farewell. Ainsi que le chien intelligent, NSKLSHNANTLJON, also the intelligent dog. À la mode, LMD, in the fashion. Anna fait la tarte, NFLTRT, Anachas made the tarte. Apportez-moi du potage, PRT Emado Poji, bring me some soup. Apportez-moi du sel, PRT Emado SL, bring me some salt. Apportez-moi une tranche de pain, PRT Emao trans DPNG, bring me a slice of bread. Approchez-vous, PRSH-vous, come nearer. À propos, PRP, to the purpose, suitable. À son goût, SNG go, according to HIS taste. Assiette, SST, plate. As-tu de la laine? Today LLN, ast thou any wool? À terre fut la brouette, TR fut el broté, down came the wheelbarrow. Au fait, F, expert. Au revoir, Hervé Vauer, goodbye till our next meeting. Bête noire, BTOR, BUGBR. Bonne, BN, nursemaid, or maid-servant. Boucher, Boessache, Mausfeul. Buffet, Boef, Sidboar. Ce cochon, SKSHN, Dispig. Ce fait est vraiment fixe, SFTVRMNGFX, this fact is truly fixed. Ce jeune homme très noir de Siam, SJUNMTROORDSM, this young man very black of Siam. Cela va sans dire, SLVSNGDR, that goes without saying. Cette fille studieuse de Logonds, STFL Studio, this studious girl of Ogans. Ce qu'il était autrefois, SKLTTRFI, that which he was formerly. Chef, SHF, head cook, man cook. Cherchèrent les tartes, SHRSHRLTRT, searched for the tarts. Comme il faut, KMLF, the correct thing. Connaissez-vous ma mère? KNNS vous MMR, do you know my mother? Connaissez-vous mes frères? KNNS vous MFRR, do you know my brothers? Connaissez-vous mon père? KNNS vous MNGPR, do you know my father? Contretemps, KNTRTNG, missed chance. Convive, KNGVV, companion at table. Coup de mâtre, coup de MTR, master stroke. Coûte que coûte, côte qu'à côte, cost what it may. Cuisine, KWZN, kitchen. Debout sur sa tête, Debosso STT, standing on HISED. Déclarait la journée trop longue, DKLRL genre NTRLNG, declared the day was too long. De l'argent dans la banque, DLRJON LBNK, some money in the bank. De trop, DTR, in the way. Des os d'obtenir pour son chien, DSDBTNR pour SNGSHN, some bones to procure for her dog. De tout mon être, D2MNGTR, with all my soul. 2 poches pleines, d'OPSHPLN, 2 bags full. Dégoût, dégo, disgust. Dîner, DN, dinner. Distingué, DSTNG, distinguished. Dit encore la jeune grenouille, DTNG Cor el Jun GRNO, Said the Young Frog again. Dit la jeune petite grenouille, DL Jun PTT GRNO, Said the Young Little Frog. Dit le corbeau à la grenouille, DL Corbet LGRNO, Said the Crow to the Frog. Eau de vie, DV, brandy. Éclat, KL, brilliancy. Elle avait beaucoup d'enfants, LVBCODNGFNG, she had a great many children. Elle les battait très fort, LLBTTTRFR, she beat them very soundly. Elles firent des tartes, LFRDTRT, they made some tarts. En colère et très pressée, NG COLRTRPRSS, inangé and rest. Ennui, NGNW, condition or state of being bored. Ensemble de l'eau y chercher, NGSomble DLSHRSH, together to get some water there. En route, NG route, on the journey. En voyant cet emplâtre, NGVNGSTNGPLTR, on seeing this plaster. Et elle est américaine, LTMRKN, and she is an American. Et il savait écrire, LSVTKRR, and they know how to write. Et l'armée du roi, LRMDORW, and the army of the king. Et sur sa tête toujours, so STT toujours, and on HISed always. Et toute la viande et le fromage, tout LVND LFRMJ, and all the meat and cheese. Facile, FSL, compliant. Four, for, haven. Fromage vert, FRMJVR, green cheese. Frotter le dos, FRTLD, rub my back. Henri, NGR, Henri. Hélas, le pauvre chien n'eut rien. LLPVRSHNORN, Allah. The poor dog had nothing. Il aimait la compagnie, LMLKMPN, et used to love company. Il dansait une gigue, LDNGSTONJG, et was dancing a gigue. Il fumait à l'aise, LFOMTLZ, et was smoking comfortably. Il m'appelle Bohème, LMPLBM, et calls me a Bohemian. Il nourrissait la chatte, LNORSLSHT, et was feeding the CAT. J'ai des boutons d'or, j'ai des BOTNGDR, I have some gold buttons. J'ai mangé la souris tout à coup, j'ai mangé LSOR tout coup, I ate up the mouse instantly. J'avais un noisetier, JVZNNZT, I had a nutri. Jeanne a fait le ragoût, JNFL ergo, Jean HAS made the stew. Je dus amener mon épouse, J12MN mon pose, I was obliged to bring my wife. Je m'en allais à Londres, JMNLLNDR, I went away to London. J'en donnerai à mon fils, JNDNRMNGFS, I will give some of it to my son. Je ne sais quoi, JNSKO, I don't know what. Jouant de la flûte, JONGDL flute, playing the flute. Je pris vite le savouret, JPRVTLSVOR, I quickly took the marrowbone. Je suis française monsieur. JSWFRNGSZMNG sort, I am a French woman, sir. Je t'attends, JTTNGD, I wait for thee. Je vais au marché à l'instant, JVZMRSHLNGSTNG, I am going to the market now. Je vous remercie, JVOURMRS, I thank you. La brouette se cassa, elle TSKS, the wheelbarrow broke. La cuisinière, LKWZNR, the cook, woman cook. La fermière, LFRMR, the farmer's wife. La fille aux beaux yeux doux, LFLBZDO, The Girl with the Lovely Soft Hair. La fournaise, L4NZ, de Furnace. La gaieté folle, LGTFL, de Merriment, de Fun. L'année, LN, de Year. La pauvre fille fut renversée, LPVRFL fou RNGVRS, de Poor Girl Fell Down. La petite étrangère, LPTTTRNGJR, de Little Foreigner. La reine, elle est l'épouse, LRNLL Pose, de Queen, She is the wife. La reine est très heureuse, LRNTROROS, de Queen is very happy. La réponse est parfaite, LRPNSPRFT, de Answer is perfect. Le capitaine, LKPTN, de Captain. Le chien dit, LSHND, de Dogside. Le chien était assis, LSHNTTS, de Dog was seated. Le chien était mort, LSHNTMR, de Dog was dead. Le chien qui filait, LSHNKFL, de Dog was spinning. Le cordonnier, LKRDN, de Shoemaker. L'enfant terrible, LNG Femme TRBL, de Dreadful Child. Le fermier, LFRM, de Farmer. Le jeu ne vaut pas la chandelle, elle joue NVPL Chandelle, de Game is not worth the candle. L'épicier, LPS, de grosseur. Le petit maréchal, LPTMRSHL, de Little Marshall. Les dames des cartes, LDMDKRT, de Queens of the Cards. Les écoliers viennent, LSKLVN, de Scholars are coming. Les rats et les souris, LRLSOR, de Raising the Mice. Le roi, il est le mari, LRLLMR, de King, et is the husband. Le roi revient à Paris, LRR PR, de King is returning to Paris. Les rois des cartes, LRDKRT, de Kings of the Cards. Les rues étant grandes, L route TNG grand, de Streets being wide. Le suc, L suc, de Juif. Les valets des cartes, LVLDKRT, de Knave of the Cards. Le tailleur, L Théor, de Taylor. Lière, LR, Ivy. Lisant les nouvelles, LZNG LNOVL, Reading the News. Londi, LNGD, de Rumeur, de Saying. L'ours, Loe, de Bear. Ma chère, que voulez-vous? MSHRKVOL my dear, what do you wish? Ma mère parle le français, MMRPRLLFRNGS, my mother speaks French. Madame, bonjour, MDMBNG genre, Madame, good day. Mal de mer, MLDMR, seasickness. Mais voici une autre chose, MVSONTRSHS, bu iris a different thing. Mais une muscade d'argent, mais on mocha RDDRJN, except a silver nutmeg. Marche dessous une grande ombrelle, MRSHDSO on GRNDMBRL, walk beneath a wide umbrella. Mégère, MGR, Ascold. Mettez donc le couvert, MTDNGLCOVR, les tablouden. Musique, MOZK, musique. Nous n'aurons jamais des fiançailles, no NRNGJMDFONGS, we will never be betrothed. Oui, monsieur, Jean et WMNG Sorgienne, yes, sir, I have of it. Où vas-tu, ma belle chérie? OOV2MBLSHR, where are you going, my pretty dear? Parfaite, PRFT, perfect. Paré de son mieux, PRD son M, dressed up in his best. Petite peste, PTTPST, Urchin. Pièce, PS, apartment. Pi aller, PSLL, last resource. Plateau, PLT, trait. Pot pourri, pépor, mixture. Poule, reine. Pour acheter cette vache surprenante, pour SHTSTVSH sort PRNNT, to buy that remarkable cow. Pour se tenir la tête chaude, pour STNRLTTSHD, to keep the head warm. Pourquoi, pour KW, why. PPC, pour prendre congé, pour PRNG Dr KNGJ, tout éclive. Prenez garde, PRNNGRD, take care. Puis-je t'accompagner? PWJTKMPN, may I go with you? Quadrille, QVADRL, quadrille. Quand il était mort, KNGDLTMR, when he was dead. Quand j'étais un garçon, KNGDJTGRSNG, when he was a bachelor. Quand l'effusion de sang UCC, KNGDLFOZNGDSNGOSA, when the effusion of blood ceased. Que fais-tu ici, mon petit? KF2SMNGPT, what are you doing here, my little one? Que fait ton père, ma belle chérie? KFTNGPRMBLSHR, what does your father do, my pretty dear? Quelle est ta fortune? KLTFR what is your fortune? Que voulez-vous? KVOLvous, what do you wish? Qui avait beaucoup ri, KVBKOR, wo left so much? Que fait ta mère, ma belle chérie? KFTMRMBLSHR, what does your mother do, my pretty dear? Qui est votre tailleur? KVTRTOR, wo is your tailor? Qui saute par-dessus la lune, KSTPRDSOOL loon, wo jumped over the moon? Qui versa des larmes, KVRSDLRM, wo shed tears? Qui vint des environs de Wittin, KVNGTDSONGVRNGDVTN, wo came from the neighborhood of Wittin? Qui vive, KVV, state of expectation. Rapportèrent les tartes, RPRTRLTRT, brought back the tarts. Refusa de mettre son gilet, RFOZDMTRSNGGL, refused to put on HIS Vesco à regarder donc cette vache agile, RGRDDNGSTVSHGL, look at this active cow. Rendez-vous, RNGDVO, appointed place of meeting. Rien pour le garçon, RN pour LGRSNG, nothing for the boy. Salon, SLNG, drawing room. Sang-froid, SNGFRD, self-possession. Se met donc à rire, SMDNGRR, begin to laugh. Serviette, SRVT, tabounaquin. S'il en est ainsi, SLNGTNGS, if that is the case. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, SS, ST, WT, 9, DS, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Surveillance, SRV Langues, overseeing, watchfulness. TF Ikura chez moi, TF Core SHM, TF Irene to my house. Tête-à-tête, TTTT, conversation between two persons alone. Toujours je l'ai su, toujours JLSO, I have always known it. Tour, journey or trip. Traversée, TRVRS, voyage. Très petite, TRPTT, very small. Un chapeau très blanc, NSHPTRBLNG, a very white hat. Un corbeau noir et gaillard, NKRBNRGRD, a joli black crow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, N, Do, Terreau, KTR, SNK, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Une chère petite grenouille, ONSHRPTTGRNO, à dire Little Frog. Une pomme, poème, an apple. Une pour madame, on pour MDM, one for my lady. Une pour mon maître, on pour MNGMTR, one for my master. Valet, VL, a gentleman's body servant. Veux-tu paraître? Vous tout PRTR, wilt thou appear? Vite, VT, quickly. Vive la compagnie. VVLKMPN, long life to the company. Voler start, VLRSTRT, stall die starts. Zest, ZST, zest. Transcriberes note, the original spelling, hyphenation, accentuation and punctuation has been retained, with the exception of apparent typographical errors which have been corrected. The transcriber has added a table of contents, following the dedication. Asterisk 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 end of the project Gutenberg ebook Mother Goes as Bicycle Tour asterisk 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 updated editions will replace the previous one. The all editions will be renamed. Creating the works from print editions not protected by US copyright law means that no one owns a United States copyright in these works, so the Foundation, and you, can copy and distribute it in the United States without permission and without paying copyright royalty. Special rule, set forth in the general terms of use part of this license, apply to copying and distributing Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic works to protect the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale concept and trademark. Project Gutenberg is a registered trademark, and may not be used if you charge for an ebook, except by following the terms of the trademark license, including paying royalty for use of the Project Gutenberg trademark. If you do not charge anything for copy of this ebook, complying with the trademark license is very easy. You may use this ebook for nearly any purpose such as creation of derivative works, report, performance and research. Project Gutenberg ebooks may be modified and printed and given away. You may do practically anything in the United States with ebooks not protected by US copyright law. Redistribution is subject to the trademark license, especially commercial redistribution. Start, full license. The full Project Gutenberg license. Please read this before you distribute or use this work to protect the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale mission of promoting the free distribution of electronic works, by using or distributing this work, or any other work associated in any way with the phrase Project Gutenberg. You agree to comply with all the terms of the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale license available with this file or online at www.gutenberg.org/licence. Section 1. General Terms of Use and Redistributing Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic works. 1.a By reading or using any part of this Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic work, you indicate that you have read, understand, agree to and accept all the terms of this license and intellectual property, trademark / copyright, agreement. If you do not agree to abide by all the terms of this agreement, you must cease using and return or destroy all copy of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic works in your possession. If you paid a fee for obtaining a copy of or access to a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic work and you do not agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement, you may obtain a refund from the person or entity to whom you paid the fee as set forth in paragraph 1.e.8. 1.b Project Gutenberg is a registered trademark. It may only be used on or associated in any way with an electronic work by people who agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement. There are a few things that you can do with most Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale électronique works even without complying with the full terms of this agreement. See paragraph 1.c below. There are a lot of things you can do with Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale électronique works if you follow the terms of this agreement and help preserve free future access to Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale électronique works. See paragraph 1.e below. 1.c. The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the Foundation or PGLAF, owns a compilation copyright in the collection of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale électronique works. Nearly all the individual works in the collection are in the public domain in the United States. If an individual work is unprotected by copyright law in the United States and you are located in the United States, we do not claim a right to prevent you from copying, distributing, performing, displaying or creating derivative works based on the work alone as all references to Project Gutenberg are removed. Of course, we hope that you will support the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale mission of promoting free access to electronic works by freely sharing Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale works in compliance with the terms of this agreement for keeping the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale name associated with the work. You can easily comply with the terms of this agreement by keeping this work in the same format with its attached full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale license when you share it without charge with others. 1.d. The copyright laws of the place where you are located also govern what you can do with this work. Copyright laws in most countries are in a constant state of change. If you are outside the United States, check the laws of your country in addition to the terms of this agreement before downloading, copying, displaying, performing, distributing or creating derivative works based on this work or any other Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. The Foundation makes no representations concerning the copyright status of any work in any country other than the United States. 1.e Unless you have removed all references to Project Gutenberg. 1.e.1. The following sentence, with active links to, or other immediate access to, the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale license must appear prominently whenever any copy of a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale work, any work on which the phrase Project Gutenberg appears, or with which the phrase Project Gutenberg is associated, is accessed, displayed, performed, viewed, copied or distributed. This ebook is for the use of anyone anywhere in the United States and most other parts of the world at no cost and with almost no restriction whatsoever. You may copy it, give it away or reuse it under the terms of the Project Gutenberg license included with this ebook or online at www.gutenberg.org. If you are not located in the United States, you will have to check the laws of the country where you are located before using this ebook. 1.e.2. If an individual Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale électronique work is derived from texts not protected by US copyright law, does not contain a notice indicating that it is posted with permission of the copyright holder, the work can be copied and distributed to anyone in the United States without paying any fees or charge. If you are redistributing or providing access to a work with the phrase Project Gutenberg associated with or appearing on the work, you must comply either with the requirements of paragraph 5.e.1 through 1.e.7 or obtain permission for the use of the work and the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale trademark asset force in paragraph 5.e.8 or 1.e.9. 1.e.3. If an individual Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic work is posted with the permission of the copyright holder, your use and distribution must comply with both paragraph 5.e.1 through 1.e.7 and any additional terms imposed by the copyright holder. Additional terms will be linked to the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale license for all works posted with the permission of the copyright holder found at the beginning of this work. 1.e.4. Do not unlink or detach or remove the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale license terms from this work, or any file containing a part of this work or any other work associated with Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale. 1.e.5. Do not copy, display, perform, distribute or redistribute this electronic work, or any part of this electronic work, without permanently displaying the sentence set forth in paragraph 1.e.1 with active links or immediate access to the full terms of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale licence. 1.e.6. You may convert to and distribute this work in any binary, compressed, marked up, non-proprietary or proprietary form, including any word processing or hypertext form. However, if you provide access to or distribute copy of a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale work in a format other than plain vanilla ASCII or other format used in the official version posted on the official Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale website, www.gutenberg.org, you must, at no additional cost, fee or expense to the user, provide a copy, a means of exporting a copy, or a means of obtaining a copy upon request, of the work in its original plain vanilla ASCII or other form. Any alternate format must include the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale licence as specified in paragraph 1.e.1. 1.e.7. Do not charge a fee for access to, viewing, displaying, performing, copying or distributing any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale works unless you comply with paragraph 1.e.8 or 1.e.9. 1.e.8. You may charge a reasonable fee for copy of or providing access to or distributing Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic works provided that you pay a royalty fee of 20% of the gross profit you derive from the use of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale works calculated using the method you already use to calculate your applicable tax. The fee is owed to the owner of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale trademark, BU et HAS agreed to donate royalty under this paragraph to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Royalty payment must be paid within 60 days following each date on which you prepare, or are legally required to prepare, your periodic tax returns. Royalty payment should be clearly marked as sent to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation at the address specified in section 4, Information about donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. You provide a full refund of any money paid by a user who notifies you in writing, or by email, within 30 days of receipt that S// does not agree to the terms of the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license. You must require such a user to return or destroy all copy of the works possessed in a physical medium and discontinue all use of and all access to other copy of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works. You provide, in accordance with paragraph 1.f.3, a full refund of any money paid for a work or a replacement copy, if a defect in the electronic work is discovered and reported to you within 90 days of receipt of the work. You comply with all other terms of this agreement for free distribution of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works. 1.e.9. If you wish to charge a fee or distribute a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work or group of works on different terms than are set forth in this agreement, you must obtain permission in writing from the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the manager of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark. Contact the Foundation as set forth in section 3 below. 1.f1.f.1 Project Gutenberg volunteers and employees expend considerable effort to identify, do copyright research on, transcribe and proofread works not protected by US copyright law in creating the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial collection. Despite these efforts, Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works, and the medium on which they may be stored, may contain defects such as, but not limited to, incomplete, inaccurate or corrupt data, transcription errors, a copyright or other intellectual property infringement, a defective or damaged disk or other medium, a computer virus, or computer code that damage or cannot be read by your equipment. 1.f.2 Limited warranty, disclaimer of damage, except for the right of replacement or refund described in paragraph 1.f.3, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the owner of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark, and any other party distributing a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work under this agreement, disclaim all liability to you for damages, costs and expenses, including legal fees. You agree that you have no remedy for negligence, strict liability, breach of warranty or breach of contract except those provided in paragraph 1.f.3. You agree that the Foundation, the trademark owner, and any distributor under this agreement will not be liable to you for actual, direct, indirect, consequential, punitive or incidental damages even if you give notice of the possibility of such damage. 1.f.3 Limited right of replacement or refund, if you discover a defect in this electronic work within 90 days of receiving it, you can receive a refund of the money, if any, you paid for it by sending a written explanation to the person you received the work from. If you received the work on a physical medium, you must return the medium with your written explanation. The person or entity that provided you with the defective work may elect to provide a replacement copy in lieu of a refund. If you received the work electronically, the person or entity providing it to you may choose to give you a second opportunity to receive the work electronically in lieu of a refund. If the second copy is also defective, you may demand a refund in writing without further opportunities to fix the problem. 1.f.4 except for the limited right of replacement or refund set forth in paragraph 1.f.3, this work is provided to UAS, with no other warranties of any kind, express or imply, including but not limited to warranties of merchantability or fitness for any purpose. 1.f.5 Some states do not allow disclaimers of certain implied warranties or the exclusion or limitation of certain type of damages. If any disclaimer or limitation set forth in this agreement violates the law of the state applicable to this agreement, the agreement shall be interpreted to make the maximum disclaimer or limitation permitted by the applicable state law. The invalidity or unenforceability of any provision of this agreement shall not void the remaining provision. 1.f.6 Indemnity, you agree to indemnify and hold the foundation, the trademark owner, any agent or employee of the foundation, anyone providing copy of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works in accordance with this agreement, and any volunteers associated with the production, promotion and distribution of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works, harmless from all liability, costs and expenses, including legal fees, that arise directly or indirectly from any of the following which you do or cause to occur. A. Distribution of this or any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. B. Alteration, modification, or addition or deletions to any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. And C. Any defective cause. Section 2. Information about the mission of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial is synonymous with the free distribution of electronic works in format readable by the widest variety of computer including obsolete, old, middle-aged and new computer. It exists because of the effort of hundreds of volunteers and donations from people in all walks of life. Volunteers and financial support to provide volunteers with the assistance they need are critical to reaching Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial's goals and ensuring that the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial collection will remain freely available for generations to come. In 2001, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation was created to provide a secure and permanent future for Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial and future generations. To learn more about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation and how your efforts and donations can help, see section 3 and 4 and the Foundation information page at www.gutenberg.org. Section 3. Information about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation is a non-profit 501, c3, educational corporation organized under the laws of the state of Mississippi and granted tax-exempt status by the Internal Revenue Service. The Foundation SEIN or Federal Tax Identification Number is 64 à 6 221 541. Contribution to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation are tax deductible to the full extent permitted by US federal laws and your state's laws. The Foundation's business office is located at 809 North 1500 West, Salt Lake City, U84 116, 801, 596 à 1887. Email contact links and up-to-date contact information can be found at the Foundation's website and official page at www.gutenberg.org/contact. Section 4. Information à bout donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation Project Gutenberg symbole marque commerciale depends upon and cannot survive without widespread public support and donation to carry out its mission of increasing the number of public domain and licensed works that can be freely distributed in machine-readable form accessible by the widest array of equipment including outdated equipment. Many small donation, $1 to $5,000, are particularly important to maintaining tax-exempt status with the IRS. The Foundation is committed to complying with the laws regulating charities and charitable donations in all 50 states of the United States. Compliance requirements are not uniform and it takes a considerable effort, much paperwork and money fees to meet and keep up with these requirements. We do not solicit donations in locations where we have not received written confirmation of compliance. To send donation or determine the status of compliance for any particular state, visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. While we cannot and do not solicit contribution from states where we have not met the solicitation requirements, we know of no prohibition against accepting unsolicited donation from donors in such states who approach us with offers to donate. International donations are gratefully accepted, but we cannot make any statements concerning tax treatment of donations received from outside the United States. US laws alone swam for small staff. Please check the Project Gutenberg web page for current donation methods and addresses. Donations are accepted in a number of other ways including checks, online payments and credit card donations. To donate, please visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. Section 5. Générale information à bout Project Gutenberg symbole marque commerciale Electronic Works Professor Michael S. R. was the originator of the Project Gutenberg symbole marque commerciale concept of a library of electronic works that could be freely shared with anyone. For 40 years, he produced and distributed Project Gutenberg symbole marque commerciale ebooks with only a loose network of volunteer support. Project Gutenberg symbole marque commerciale ebooks are often created from several printed editions, all of which are confirmed and not protected by copyright in the US unless a copyright notice is included. Thus, we do not necessarily keep ebooks in compliance with any particular paper edition. Most people start at our website which has the main page search facility, www.gutenberg.org. This website includes information about Project Gutenberg symbole marque commerciale, including how to make donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, how to help produce our new ebooks, and how to subscribe to our email newsletter to read about new ebooks. Bac. Dédication. Content. Mother goes as bicycle tour. The departure. Pussycat. I diddle. The queen of the car. Jack and Jill. Old King Cole. There was an old woman. Bea black sheep. Old Mother Hubbard. Where are you going to, my pretty maid? When he was a bachelor un petit homme petit. Taffy was a Welshman. Trevis Men of Saint-Yves. The Frog and the Crow. The Donkey S. Ripley. Farmer Brown. The Captain. The Shoemaker. The Cook. The Grosset. Footnote, The Farmer. The Farmer's Wife. The Taylor. MRS. Tonkin NDMR. Hopkins. This Very Black Man of Siam. This Lazy Old Man of Moselle. Ce cochon, an interesting pig. This Shocking Old Man from Capre. Peter Pratdlbugtasadl. The Man from Hong Kong. The Little Bohemian. The King is returning to Paris. Le petit maréchal. B footnote, la petite étrangère. Les tables. Tommy H.A.S. Hagen. Enigma the Medway of Blue. This Studio Girl of Ogons footnote, Enigma the Miller Akin. D footnote, Louis Ed assisté très petite. Dickens poème. The Little Nut Tree. L'enfant terrible. Isidore et Isabelle. Every Dog on the Street. The Apple Pie Party. Glossary. Code. The Full Project Gutenberg licence 6, 7, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 43, 44, 1, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 92, 93, 94.